Tell her about when we were at the store last night about the big ones.
Oh,
What?
are you gonna do some video?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Big
No,
one.
no, shut
No,
up.
like listen.
Okay. So yesterday.
No, not the store part. I'm talking about what we were talking about in the store. About the big boobs.
Oh.
Titties.
Yeah.
I don't know, like, we were looking at the lingerie section and stuff, and then out of nowhere, like, because every time she puts an outfit, she's like, this would be cute on you, and I'm like, no, who has the boobs for that? You do, I don't. Certain things I can, and certain things I can't, and then she just blurs out, we should get boob jobs in the middle of the aisle.
Not loud.
I was like, who the fuck has the money for boob jobs? And I got quiet, I said, but why are you playing? I always figured when I turned 18 that I would get them. I go, I want that last size of the B cup, that's big enough for me. She bust out with, well, I want C's. I was like, well, fine. I say, and then I said, well, then you stay here. I said, home, because you're going to be knocking shit over. She goes, I'm going to turn around, and I'm going to be like, oh, I'm sorry, no. Knocking my cups off the table.
Like when she fucking flipped her hair at the club. I was behind her. She said, and I was like, oh shit.
No, and she said, I'm going to be turning around. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Because she said I was going to get those big ones that come out to like out here.
And you're going to be turning.
That's what I told her.
Then when we dance and she's doing hit that hoe with Frankie, they're going to be like.
No, she gonna be like, have y'all seen that movie, Date Movie? Or that one chick that has the titties and she turns around and then goes to the Oh shit, what's up? Have you seen that movie?
Yeah.
She's flipping around and then she goes, what? And they go to the back.
We're gonna be dancing and they're just gonna
I'm
be
scared
slapping
to
her in the
play.
face.
Don't be scared.
It's going to hurt.
No, but if we really do it, we're gonna look like shit when we come out. And we're gonna be hurting. I've saw
It's cool.
like